Spa website templates with Divi. We present to you two exceptional options, one premium and one completely free. Let's dive in and discover the elegance these templates bring to your spa business. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Starting with our premium option available in the Divi marketplace. Priced at just $19, this template is perfect if you're seeking a professional touch. Let's explore the live demo to see its full potential. Here we have a breathtaking hero section that immediately captivates your visitors. With its serene visuals and captivating call to action, it's designed to make a lasting impression. Moving on to the services section, which beautifully showcases everything your spa has to offer, tailored to highlight your expertise and unique offerings. The pricing section follows, providing a clear breakdown of your services, with an elegant layout ensuring potential clients know exactly what to expect. Next, meet the team that makes it all happen in the Our Team section. Experience a delightful animation effect when you hover over each card, adding personality and engagement. Plan your visit with ease in the appointment section, complete with opening hours. Your clients can effortlessly book their next spa experience through the interactive form. Finally, the footer ties it all together. Featuring social media links, a quick contacts menu, our services menu, and a latest work menu, it ensures seamless navigation. Now, onto a fantastic free option, accessible once you've downloaded and installed the Divi theme. Again, we open with a striking hero section, designed to capture attention and draw potential clients in with ease. Next, delve into the About Us section, complete with a video part, giving you the opportunity to feature personal stories or an inside look at your spa. Then, we have the Services section, laid out cleanly and attractively, ensuring clients can find and understand your services effortlessly. The Testimonial section follows, offering a space for satisfied clients to voice their experiences, building trust and credibility. Finally, the Footer section, featuring a location menu, spa hours menu, and a convenient book appointment button. It ensures your clients have all the information they need at their fingertips. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.